Thank you for choosing to send your case to Evolve Dentistry. Here is a step-by-step guide to easily submit your case using our online portal. After signing into your account, head to the Design Services drop-down menu to start a new case. You can browse by design type options like full arch, partial denture veneer, and more, or scroll down to select a designer directly. If you are not sure who to choose, click the yellow arrow icon next to each name to see their specialties. Once you have selected your design, enter your patient and case information. Be sure your scan data is accurate and complete to prevent any delays in processing. Now it is time to pick your turnaround speed. Choose from standard delivery at 48 hours, next day at 24 hours, same day at 6 hours, or our chairside scheduled option, which lets you book a designer to work live during the patient's visit. When everything looks good, click Start Design Now at the bottom of the page to submit your case. To check on your designs, go to the My Designs tab at the top of the site next to My Orders. There you will be able to chat one-on-one with your designer, review your file, and download the final design once it's ready. You will also get an email when the design is complete. Click the link at the bottom of the email or refer to your My Designs page to review the design. One revision is included with each case within 24 hours of completing the design. If you need help at any point, call us at 888-839-8006 or email info@evolvedentistry.com. We're here to help and thank you for choosing Evolve.